Okay, the problem that we have with this 2012 Honda Odyssey is that the top brake light is working, but the bottom two brake lights are not working. Now, I've decided to just go ahead and try to replace the bulbs, and so we'll go ahead and give that a try. That's an easy fix. Now, to get the lens off, you've got to remove these two screws. I'm just going to use a Phillips screwdriver with my drill. Just go ahead and take those out. And then to get this out, get the lens out, you've got to kind of push it away, grab it and pull it away from there. You can see that these two pointed objects fit into these two holes. Now, once you get it off, you just twist this, and it is the lower, this is the brake light bulb. You just go ahead and twist this and pull it out, and there you can see the bulb, and all you do is just pull the bulb out. So now we're going to go ahead and put the new bulb in. You never want to touch the bulb and get oil on it, so we'll just go ahead and you just push it in. It's very simple, but you don't want to use your fingers because you've got oil on them, and that can ruin the bulb. You see there are these notches on here, and if you look inside you can see them too. You just put the big notch in with the big hole, and then just go ahead and twist it until it clicks. Then you're going to go ahead and just, remember you've got these two pointed objects that have to go into these two holes right here. So we'll go ahead and slide those in. Once you get it on, then you just need to go ahead and push it in until it clicks. Then you'll just line up the holes and go ahead and put the screws in. Just go ahead and hand tighten it. Just make sure you get it started. And there's the other one down here. And again, you can just use a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver. I've got my cordless drill, and you'll just want to go in nice and slow. You don't want to strip it out. Just get it nice and snug. And you'll do the bottom. There you have it. Now you'll just do the opposite. On the other side, we have both of them burned out. You just do the same thing to install it. Okay, so we solved the problem very simply by replacing both bulbs. Now all three of the lights are working. One thing you need to remember is that the brake lights do have two filaments, so they may appear to be working with some other light, but they do have two filaments, and so you need to make sure that that's what the problem is. So thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.